Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to record video and set the length of it on Ray-Ban META Wayfarer. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and I'm wearing them right now so that every feature works. But to start a video, we all know that we have to press this button and hold it until the light is here. Now we can stop it by pressing, but here we got our 3-second video, how it looks like. And of course, now what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and change the video length. So if we want to have a long video, then all we really do is just go over, press on the gear icon here. In the gear icon, we go to Media, Video Settings, and here we can select the resolution, so we can use high frame rate, which is 1080p and 60 fps. We got the video length right here, so we got 1 minute or 30 minutes. So you can choose from both of these options, and the 3 minutes one is default, but if you want to record short videos, then 1 minute is definitely enough. Of course, you can end before that, so for example, you can record for 15 seconds. Now I just enabled my recording on, and now let's look at the phone. Here, let me quickly stop it, and our recording is 9 seconds long. So we can do that, and that's how you guys can record a video and set its length. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.